we decided to go big with Simpu, a tool to promote other shows on Channel V. Simpu was now on Popstar. Simpu, if there was cricket going on, World Cup, then Simpu was commenting on, field placement. And we were being very tactical about where and how to use our beloved professor and his take on everything. I was like, let's get Simpu to do KBC. And so, we all got very excited. Vaibhav and I we sat with the team. Vaibhav came up with his script. We were like, yes, let's make it happen.
मतलब मेरे लिए तो इतनी खुशी की बात थी बिकॉज केबीसी एकदम एंड विद द सीनियर बच्चन साहब, क्या आज 25 साल हो गए उस शो की, सेलिब्रेशन चल रही है, आज भी शो इतना स्ट्रॉन्ग चल रहा है. गेटिंग टू एनिमेट बच्चन साहब एंड it's like how in the hot seat people try their best to reach there. It felt like that for me also कि सिंपू वहां पे पहुंचा है और सिंपू बच्चन साहब के साथ बैठा है, भले ही वो ड्राइंग पे हो, but it was a different kind of an honor. So cooking up that plot was so much fun कि इतना मुझे पता था कि सिंपू होगा हॉट सीट पे ऑब्वियसली, एंड उसे वो तब 1 करोड़ था, अभी 7 करोड़ है, बट 1 करोड़ वो जीतेगा. बट कैसे जीतेगा और उसके लिए क्वेश्चन क्या होना चाहिए. तो ये सब बहुत मजेदार चीजें थी. उस वक्त जो वर्ल्ड कप फुटबॉल का जो मैच हुआ था, फाइनल्स हुआ था, उस मैच को मैंने हॉस्पिटल में लेट के देखा था बिकॉज मेरी डॉटर तब पैदा हुई थी, उससे 2 दिन पहले, और मैं और मेरी वाइफ हम लोग हॉस्पिटल के रूम में हम लोग लेटे हुए हैं एंड वी वर वाचिंग दैट मैच एंड दिस गाय, मतलब जो झगड़ा हुआ है, टॉप सर से उसने मारा दूसरे प्लेयर को, दैट वाज अ बिग थिंग. एंड जिनेदीन जिडान जो था, उसका पेट नेम था जीजू. सो ऑल ऑफ दोस थिंग्स टुगेदर इट फेल्ट लाइक ये तो एकदम सही सवाल है इसके लिए. एक तो फुटबॉल था विच इज फॉर द स्टूडेंट्स एंड द यंग कम्युनिटी, एंड इट इज रीसेंट न्यूज, इट्स अ बिग न्यूज involving like one of the superstars of football. Or Zizou, that sound itself lent itself so beautifully to the Simpu world, because आप तो जानते ही हो सिंपू वो चीज बोल नहीं सकते हैं. सिंपू का जो एक्सेंट था उसके लिए एकदम परफेक्ट मैच रहा ये. सो दैट बिकेम द क्वेश्चन विद ऑल द ऑप्शंस. उसके ऑप्शंस बनाने में बहुत मजे आए कि चीजू, जीजू या सीजू. द ऑप्शंस, द क्वेश्चन, एंड देन how does Simpu crack it? Even बच्चन साहब had that little, क्या आप कॉन्फिडेंट है, आजकल वो उतना नहीं करते, बट जब शुरुआत हुई थी इस शो की तब there was a slight way of acting and way of interacting with the participants, जो as दर्शकगण हम लोगों के मन में वो छपा हुआ था. तो और वो एनिमेटेड बच्चन साहब से करवाने में मुझे बहुत मजा आया. to design बच्चन साहब in the Simpu family with a simple and to capture his performance, his dignified way of interacting with the participants. And Simpu is clueless because वो सवाल तो उसके सर के ऊपर से गए, and how the children would help him, they make a small fix. Simpu को इशारा मिल गया और उसने आंसर दिया है. And again, my dear friend that I spoke about, Pankaj, the bright student, अगर सिंपू को कॉल करना होता है तो किसको कॉल करेगा? Of course Pankaj, because Pankaj would have the answer. But in this case, because of Simpu's accent, Pankaj is also poor guy, is clueless. वो भी बोलता है सर सारे ऑप्शन तो राइट है, कोई उसको हेल्प नहीं कर पाता है. तब शायद एक को जो बैड स्टूडेंट था उसके हाथ में वही गैजेट था और उसकी मदद से सिंपू पार करता है, 1 करोड़ जीत जाता है. एंड दैट्स हाउ वी sorted out the story thing, and आप जीत गए 1 करोड़, all that happens, and we ended the film and we delivered it to Channel V. और उसके बाद सबसे मजेदार चीज हुई, like
3 months down the line, or I don't know when, I'm sitting in a boardroom meeting in the Star TV. They are discussing this top secret piece of information, which so happens to be that Amitabh Bachchan is no longer the host of KBC, and this is bringing in the new host, that it was Shah Rukh Khan. And in that, I literally had a heart attack. I was like calling Vaibhav saying, where are we with it? And it was almost done. We had finished the most epic Simpu film. It was done and dusted. They were doing sound design, and I was like, oh my God. I was speaking to Sameer Nair, who loves Simpu, who said, why didn't you tell me about this. And I mean, when you see the spot, you will understand how we had to quickly think fast, think really, and not. Also, we had to make sure that everyone's sensibilities weren't encroached upon, nobody was hurt or dismissed. Vaibhav's done a great job to salvage the situation, but behind that spot was maybe many people thought we wanted to use both Amitabh Bachchan and Shah Rukh Khan or whatever, but it became a great tool to deliver this piece of information.
Shah Rukh makes an entry and their chemistry of both of them meeting and both of them getting puzzled, and Shah Rukh points out, hey sir. So all those things, that was a last minute fix up. And another fun experience was interacting with the voice artists. So jo Sikandar Khan jo the, I got to meet him for the very first time. They was introduced to us by Channel V. I'm sure he must have done a lot of spoofs. Bachchan sir ka he's one of the best artists who used to recreate Bachchan Saab's performances. So I'm so fortunate that, getting to work with him. And when he was voicing it, just standing there and listening to him recreating Bachchan sir's dialogues and suggesting, because script मुझे पता था कि वो ये बोलेंगे, but वो कैसे बोलेंगे, Sikandar improvised so beautifully, and as he was having fun there, I could visualize कि my animated Bachchan is going to do this, इसके लिए ऐसा performance. Even that recording process was such a beautiful experience for me. It's quite a long film, and I'm so grateful कि Channel V aired it. More importantly, this film has become very, very popular online over the years. So very thankful to that audience have really enjoyed this particular film. Because this is a more recent film, we have the original artworks of the film. Black Reynolds marker से किए हुए जो punched paper पे, ये सब extinct species हैं आजकल, कोई animate करता नहीं है पेपर पे, लाइट बॉक्स पे. तो ये चीजें आज देखने में बहुत मजा आता है मुझे भी, कि हम लोग ब्लैक मार्कर से कीज बनाते थे, कोई एरर हुआ तो व्हाइट करेक्शन पेन से उसको इरेज करते थे, एंड देन देयर वुड बी शैडो लेयर्स ड्रॉन ऑन टॉप. सो ऑल दोज आर्टवर्क्स आर देयर इन द Carousel. Watch it and enjoy.